Greetings all. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 62. And the topic for today is subtraction is powerful than addition. Generally, success is always attributed to earning more, taking more risk, knowing more people, working more, studying longer, etc. It's all about more and more. But in reality, when I observe successful people, they are those who do fewer mistake, less compliance, less criticism, less desire, etc. For example, top players in tennis are those who make less errors. Subtracting unwanted pursuits and focused on very few things and the important things and reducing distractions increases the probability of success drastically. Subtraction is powerful than addition. To summarize, the message for the day is, friends: 1. Do fewer focused things, avoid distraction, complain less, and understand less is more. The question to you today is, what are you going to subtract from your life today? Thank you and have a great week. Subramanian, Chandramouli, author of 4 books and sales specialist.